Hello, Israel Ruth. Grandma again with another Jane Foster book. This one is about animal sounds, sounds that animals make. We have the doggies in the background. You know what sounds they make, don't you? I bet that's one of the ones in the book, so we'll probably be talking about it. Animal sounds. The cat says, meow, meow. And the dog says, what? That's right. Woof, woof. Woof. I got Betsy's attention, didn't it? Woof. The birds say, tweet, 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 tweet. The hen says, cluck, 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 cluck. And the horse says, neigh, neigh. The bear says, grrr, grrr. The snake gives a hiss, hiss, while the elephant blows her trumpet. Brrr, brrr. The cow says, moo, moo, and the owl says, hoo, 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 hoo. Yuck. The frogs say, ribbit, ribbit. Ugh. And the alligator says, snap, snap. I guess this is a penguin. Looks like a little penguin. Quack, quack. Almost sounds like maybe a duck. Quack, quack. And the pigeon says, coo, coo, very softly. Coo, coo. The monkey and the parrot, caw, caw. The seagulls, squawk, squawk. And the bumblebees, bzzz. The whale, splash, splash. See the water coming out of its spout. And the fish down below say bloop, 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 bloop. The butterfly, flitter, 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 flitter. And the lion, roar. Big sound. All the animals make sounds. You make the sound of a monkey, of a parrot, the whale, the elephant, the hen, bees, a penguin, the owl, fish, a seagull, the bear, the dove or the pigeon, the lion, the yucky frog, the horse, the butterfly, the crocodile, the bird, the cat, the dog, snake, and the cow. Bye-bye, baby Ray. Say bye-bye to the doggies. Woof, woof. Love you. Say ruff, ruff. See, Betsy?